In this video, I'm going to show you how to add conditions in Jotform. Begin by logging into your Jotform account. On your homepage, locate the form in which you want to add a condition. Hover over the form and click on Edit Form. Once the form editor loads, you'll be able to view all the elements you've previously added. Let's say you want to set up a condition where the user must either enter their phone number or email, but not both at the same time. Currently, if you preview the form by clicking Publish and then opening the form link in a new tab, you'll notice that both fields, phone number and email, are visible regardless of any user input. To change this, you'll need to create a conditional rule. Go back to the form editor and make sure both the phone number and email fields have already been added. One thing to note is that sometimes a small glitch may prevent the most recently added field from appearing in the conditions list. To avoid this, simply add another element below it, such as a divider, by clicking on Add Element from the left side of your screen and dragging it to the form. Now you're ready to set up the condition. Click on Settings at the top of your screen, then choose Conditions from the menu on the left-hand side. Click on the first option labeled Show Hide Field. A condition builder will appear. In the If drop-down, select the field that the user will interact with. For instance, a drop-down asking whether they prefer to provide a phone number or email. In the State field, select Equals To, and in the Value field, select the specific value, such as phone number. Then, in the Do section, choose Show, and in the Final field, select which element to reveal based on the condition, like the phone number input box. Click Save once done. Repeat the process to create another condition if the user selects Email. After adding the necessary conditions, go back to the Publish section, copy the form link, and open it in a new tab to test the logic. Now, when a user makes a selection, only the corresponding field appears, ensuring a smoother user experience. This is how you can add conditional logic to your Jotform forms.